Alright, so it is windy as all get out here. I am back at Bethany Lakes again, my usual after work stop. Rob's gonna meet up with me. Like I said, very windy. And I've not fished this little spot right here before, so I think I'm gonna throw a line in and just kind of see what's up while I wait for him to get here. I brought some items with me that were sent by Wilkins Outdoors Adventures. They're really cool. I'm going to try to use some of them today. We'll see if I actually catch anything or not. I'm not very optimistic right now. He sent me some yum dingers in watermelon and a couple jigs from Butts Baits. I got some blue finesse worms, and he included a couple craw trailers for those jigs as well. So I'm looking forward to trying those out. See if I can convince Rob to tie on a jig, and maybe he can catch his first jig fish ever. All right, so I decided to put on one of these blue worms that Wilkins sent, and I was gonna peg it. But I made a rookie mistake and I bought the wrong size pegs, so it's not actually pegged well. I kind of figured out how to get around that mistake, but the little part that I put in the top came out, and I don't want to dig through my tackle bag right now. Whenever I move, make a good move. Then I will, repeg it, and I will also get stuck on a tree here. Got one. I didn't have my GoPro on, it jumped. Oh man. This is a nice one. Oh, come here. It's my first fish here, and I got it on my mystery Wilkins box. God, man. Yum dinger. Yeah. The guy over there just said nice fish. It is a nice fish. It's beautiful. Hey.
Right on top.
Yep. First one. No, actually, a yum dinger that Wilkins sent me.
Nice.
There we go. I'm gonna try this creature bait. I haven't caught anything with one of these yet. I bought these last year because the color is called jalapeno, and I was really hungry. Yeah, I was just like, man, that sounds good. Oh God, I need to change line. I hate this crap that I have on here. It's worthless. It's so bad. It's just Zebco. It's just cheap Zebco, and I got it because I was like, well, it won't be a waste if I don't like the combo, But not now. I'm just like, I just kind of hate everything because this line sucks so bad. And everybody's been out of 14-pound tests because everybody's buying fishing stuff right now. They're buying, so.
I started at 7 in the morning. No wind, it was perfect. A couple hours in, the wind, it was brutal.
Oh, Jesus. Man, what am I doing?
What did you do?
I don't know. It's the wind. It's totally, oh, jeez. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, guys. Holy crap. Okay. No, not that way. Not that way. This is so bad. I hate Zebco line. I hate Zebco line. I might just have to not fish with this because I'm just really not happy with basically every time I cast, it just goes. Yeah, it just nests every time, and it doesn't matter. I mean, I have the tension set right. It's just really crappy line. Sorry, Zebco. Jesus. It's like under the. What did I do?
You'll be there for a minute.
Oh yeah, I'll be here for a minute. 5 years later, Flirt might have this mess cleaned up. Get a little bit of, there we go. Ooh, stuck around the star drag. Oh, and underneath the star drag. What the heck? Guys. What did I do? I can't even figure this out. How did I even do this? There better be a fish on the end of this. After all that mess. So this happened again. I'm documenting my life's failures here. And Rob's just over there, is like cool as a cucumber. He's just like, oh, you did a thing. Oh, maybe I got it out now. Oh, I think I got it out. Just really tired of this. Oh, nope, too tight. Rob just, yeah, look at him jump. Nice one. Very nice, Rob. That's a good fish. I might just have to go back to the wacky rig again. Very good.
Not bad.
Not bad.